In year 2001, we released 2 albums, Pragtyo Khalsa Parmatam Ki Mauj and Yardeda Sanu Satthar Changa. They received tremendous success. Now we have a great pleasure in presenting you 2 more albums. Japji, A Highway to Heaven, and Guru Tegh Bahadur, A Unique Martyr. Both albums have been produced in English as well as Punjabi versions as before. We sincerely hope that these albums will meet your expectations. We are grateful to Mr. Nirmal Singh Beyant of Derby in the United Kingdom for sponsoring the recording of these albums in the loving memory of his wife, Mrs. Amrik Kaur Beyant. Mrs. Beyant left this mortal world on 7th of November 2003. We pray to Waheguru Ji for her soul to rest in peace forever. And may God bless Mr. Beyant with a healthy and peaceful future. You are listening to the album Guru Tegh Bahadur, A Unique Martyr. It was extremely difficult to choose events from the life of a great Guru for this album. It is just like pouring an ocean into a cup. I'm sure you would understand our difficulty. In this album, we have included some selected shabads from his own Bani and a few that were written by the 10th Sikh master, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. These hymns and the narrations will enable the listener to appreciate the significance of Guru Tegh Bahadur's unparalleled sacrifice that makes him a unique martyr. We begin with the singing of a shabad that describes the ultimate state of mind that a person is born to attain. This was the state which the Guru bestowed on his 3 devotees who were tortured to death in front of the Guru. We will pay our homage to them later in this album. The simple meaning of this Shabad is as follows: one who is not disturbed by suffering and is not swayed by pleasures, attachments or fear. One who sees gold and dust the same and does not desire praise or pleasure, and who is beyond greed, ego, anger, sensuality, slander and lust. In such a liberated person, God dwells. The Shabad has been uttered in Rag Sorat by the 9th Guru, and we have attempted to sing it in the same Rag.
दुख में दुख नहीं माने, जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने, सुख सने और भय नहीं जाके, सुख सने और भय नहीं जाके, कंचन माटी माने, जो नार दुख में दुख आने उस्तत जाके लोभ मोह अभिमाना निंदिया ने उस्तत जाके लोभ मोह अभिमाना हरख सोग ते रहे न्यारो हरख सोग ते रहे न्यारो नाहे मान अपमान जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने आसा मनसा सगल त्यागे जग तेरा है निरासा आसा मनसा सगल त्यागे जग तेरा है निरासा काम क्रोध जय पर से नाहीन काम क्रोध जय पर से नाहीन तेह घाट ब्रह्म निवासा जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने गुर की कृपा जय नर को कीनी ते जुगत पछानी गुर की कृपा जय नर को कीनी ते जुगत पछानी नानक लीन भयो गोबिंद स्यों नानक लीन भयो गोबिंद स्यों जो पानी संग पानी जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने जो नार दुख में दुख नहीं माने सुख सने और भय नहीं जाके सुख सने